Yo, what is going on, guys? Prevised here, back with another video showing you guys my new checkpoint system that I've just created. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to use this system, and I'll explain everything later on, but I will first off show you guys a clip of the checkpoint being in use. Alrighty guys, so here we are. I'm going to show you guys how this works. So if I touch this teleport part right here, okay, I'm going to jump over kill part. Boom, it teleports me back to my spawn. Alright, level 1 complete. We are now at level 2. We have a speed part right here. I don't want to touch that. I'm going to hit the teleport part, and we are back to our spawn. Level 3, same thing happens. Bum. Did I touch the speed part? I did touch the speed part. Oh well. But yeah. And same if you touch the kill part and you die, you're still going to teleport right here. Very easy system to use. Now what I want to do, what I want to explain is how this works. So whenever you touch this part, it's not the spawn that changes your level. It's the part that touches right here. So for example, if you're making a speed run game, okay, so say you've just, this is the, you know, all the parts that you jump on whenever you're running fast, whatever, okay, whenever you're probably gonna have this part right here really big for your speedrun game, just so you can detect whenever the player, you know, crosses this line. And basically whenever you hit this part, it's gonna change your level. And all this spawn location is here for is basically to get the team color to be able to spawn you back. That's basically what it is. Okay, so level 3, as you can see. But yeah guys, that is just about it. So yeah, let's just move on. Alrighty guys, let's get started. Let me show you guys how to use this. So basically we're first gonna go in the readme script. So I'm gonna act like I've never even made this. You know, I'm just someone that just grabbed this model. So basically I'm a subscriber to Previse, and you know, I just want to use his checkpoint system. So let's see what Previse got right here. Read from top to bottom, very easy system to use, which yes it is. A data store is included right here, so it will save your checkpoint. Okay, if you don't have the team service enabled, do this. Click on model at the very top, which is right here, and then under advanced right here, click on service. Okay, now you should see a team service right here. Just click on it and then press insert. Alright, next up, place the team's model inside of the team service. So we were talking about this right here. So we're going to put this team's model inside of team service. Okay, alright, next up we have to ungroup the team's model. So we can do Control G. Alright, the checkpoint stage will be locked, but you can remove it. Now the checkpoint stage is basically just the boxed area. Alright, so it's right here. It's called you can remove, just like that. Okay, so now we have the kill part, teleport part, and the speed part. And that's it right there. Okay, so I'm actually just going to keep it removed. Alright, next we got ungroup checkpoint system, so that way the folders are directly in workspace. Alright, so let's do that. Checkpoint system, Control U to ungroup. Okay. Alright, that's done. Place the data store script in server script service. I'm going to drag that to server script service. Okay. Now, if you plan on having more obstacles in your game, since there's only 10 made with this kit, as you can see, there's only 10. So if you do want to add more, okay, all you have to do is add more teams in the team service. Make sure you change the name of the level as you add more. So that means if we go in the team service, there's level 1 to level 10. Okay. So if you want to add more, Control D to duplicate. We add level 11. Oops, not 1011 right here. Okay. And make sure you do change the team color. But let's just go back in the script right here. Okay, so we added more teams. Okay, make sure to change the name of the level as you add more. So we did that. and to also make more of the spawn locations in the folder named spawns. Okay, so as you're adding more levels or teams, you have to add more spawn locations. So if we go in the spawns folder right here, spawns folder, okay, so we take level 10, so we just duplicated level 10, so we're going to take level 10, duplicate that as well, and we're just gonna move it. So this is level 11. Okay, you also need to rename it. Look, change the name of the spawn location the same way you did for teams. So let's do that. That is level 11. Okay, let me make this a little bigger. Level 11. Okay, you don't have to worry about the walls inside of them. I mean, unless you want to just, you know, scale it up or whatever. But yeah. So we got that. And you next, let's go back to here. Lastly, you need to change the team color for the new team and spawn locations you have added. All right. So what that means is we're going to go back to our team. Okay. So our team color right here, make sure it's a team color that isn't here already, because that wouldn't be good if you did that. It wouldn't work out good. Alright, so team color, make sure it is a color that you don't have already. We don't have white, so we'll just do white, which is, we'll do institutional white. That's fine. Institutional white. Alright. And for that to make sense, we also want to change the brick color for our next level, level 11, to institutional white. See, it changes the color right here. And we also need to change the team color. This is a big one right here. Make sure to change this to team color. That's the only way it is going to work. It really doesn't matter what color the brick color is, but the team color needs to match up with your new level. Let's see what else we have. All right, so we did that. It does not matter whether kill parts, speed parts, or teleporters are placed. The code will figure that out for you. So that's basically saying these parts right here. Okay, so if you had this part, you know, just anywheres, it'll teleport you back to your spawn. That is basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any more scripting requests or anything, be sure to ask me down in the comments section. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for more videos. Love y'all.